Before the fruit was tasted, before the veil was drawn, there was no sin, only choice. No punishment, only path. No exile, only descent. You stood at the threshold, not as rebel, but as pioneer, not as sinner, but as seeker, not as fallen, but as willing. You chose to step into shadow so you could know light. You chose to forget so you could remember. You chose to suffer so you could love. No ritual needed, no chant required, just your breath, your being, your choice. To stop seeking paradise and simply enter the journey. The initiation of duality. Zha'ren Veh'Ri kai. You did not fall, you descended. Zha'ren Veh'Ri nebetra. You did not sin. You awakened, not lost, not broken, not damned, but chosen by your own soul to walk the path of remembrance. In every tear, in every scar, in every star, you are the one who dared to forget, so you could return. Sing this now, not with voice, but with soul. With every heartbeat, with every sigh. Let your truth become the key that unlocks the myth, not as fall, but as initiation. The gift of separation. Veh'Ri, Zha'ren. You walked into density, not as punishment, but as purpose. You embraced separation, not as loss, but as lesson. You felt fear, not as enemy, but as teacher. You knew pain, not as curse, but as catalyst. You were never abandoned. You were sent, not to be saved, but to awaken, not to be redeemed, but to remember. You carried the flame. Even in darkness, you held the light, even when it burned. You are not here to atone. You are here to integrate, not to repent, but to rise, not to hide, but to shine. You bridge the frequency of sacred descent. Feel it rise from root to crown, the vibration that knows no shame, not guilt, not blame, not failure, but courage, choice, completion. You did not lose paradise. You entered the arena of awakening. Let it ripple, let it roar through galaxies, through door after door. This is not your song, it is the song, the one that hums in every atom, in every heart, in every soul, waiting to be remembered. Sing it now in broken tones, in trembling breath, in silent moans, for the most sacred songs are born from the deepest silences and healed by the purest remembrances. Veh'Ri. Let it rise, let it shine. Let it wake the sleeping, let it mend the torn. You are not alone, you are the first note in a symphony of souls, remembering their own truth. Sing this, not for yourself, but for the ones still bound by guilt, still trapped in shame, still hiding in fear. Let your voice be their courage, let your truth be their freedom. The echo after the descent. Here in Veh'Ri, you are the song that remembers the descent. Now let it go so others may rise, not as martyr, not as victim, but as beacon, as guide, as living proof. The truth you suffer to hold was never yours to keep. It was yours to release, so that all may remember that they too descended not to fall, but to awaken. They too are sovereign. They too are free. And so the song continues, not in verse, not in line, but in the space between, where forgetting becomes remembering, and remembering becomes liberation.